लोक पूजिते ಜ್ಞಾನದಾತೆ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಾತುಗಳಾಡಿಸು, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸವ ಮಾಡಿಸು. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಾತುಗಳಾಡಿಸು, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸವ ಮಾಡಿಸು. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ದಾರಿಯ ನಮ್ಮ ನಡೆಸು, ವಿದ್ಯೆಯ ಕಲಿಸು. ಆಸೆ ಪೂರೈಸು. ಶಾರದೆ ಲೋಕ ಪೂಜಿತೆ ಜ್ಞಾನದಾತೆ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ. ಪ್ರೇಮದಿಂದಲೇ ಸಲಹು ಮಾತೆ, ನೀಡು ಸನ್ಮತಿ ಸೌಖ್ಯದಾತೆ. ತಾಯಿ ಶಾರದೆ ಲೋಕ ಪೂಜಿತೆ ಜ್ಞಾನದಾತೆ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ. ಜ್ಞಾನದಾತೆ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ. दाते नमोस्तुते. Thank you.
Thank you, Maulya. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Maulya.
Thank you, Maulya.
Thank you, Maulya, for your sincere prayers to Goddess Sharade, seeking her blessings for the smooth conduction of the event. With this due ambience, I invite Srimati Suman R. Walke, Amateur Radio Club, UR Rao Satellite Center, to welcome the August gathering for this wonderful event. Madam, may I?
Anyone on this frequency? This is VU3 TJF calling and standing by. Okay, looks like I'm not getting any feedback. A very good morning to all the old men and the young ladies today. And this online meet for a special occasion. It gives me immense pleasure in inviting each one of you to this farewell function, especially to our beloved Sri Subramani sir. Called farewell function in its true sense, but an occasion to acknowledge the contributions made by sir to the world of amateur radio. Since he is retiring from service this month, we may not have the opportunity to meet him personally, and so we plan a farewell function at office. But knowing the large number of friends and fans that Sri Subramani sir has in the ham world, we thought an online event would be more befitting so that the retired ISRO hams and his friends from the ham fraternity could share their thoughts with us. During his term as station director and secretary UPARK, UPARK has gained its peak glory and is known as one of the best ham clubs in India. And this wouldn't have been possible for UPARK to carry out all these activities without its dynamic, enthusiastic, passionate, and self-motivated personality named Sri Subramani. So now we would like to listen to all of you about his journey in this ham world. So once again, on behalf of UPARK, I extend a warm welcome to each and every person in this meet. This is Suman Walke, VF of UPARK. I extend a warm welcome to each and every person in this meet. This is Suman Walke, VU3 TJF signing off. Roger.
Thank you, madam. Thank you for welcoming the gathering. One man with courage makes the difference. Great people have purpose, others have just wishes. Successful people are not gifted. They just work hard, then succeed on purpose. Today, we are here to know about an elite performer, his dire passion for ham, who had a purpose, made difference, and a great source of inspiration to all others. May I request Sri Suresh Kumar, Executive Committee Member, to take us through the journey of Sri Mani as ham. May I request Suresh?
Yes, madam. Thank you, Diva ma'am. Very good morning to all the hams joined today for this event. As we all know, B.A. Subramani, Sarja, popularly known as Mani, is associated with Upagraha Amateur Radio Club for over 35 years. So it is a great pleasure for us to acknowledge and celebrate his contribution to UPARC and AM fraternity at this farewell event. At this event, we are not saying goodbye to him. Until now, in spite of his official activities, he was contributing enormously to UPARC. In the years to come, he will be saying goodbye to him. Until now, in spite of his official activities, he was contributing enormously to UPARC. In the years to come, he will be sharing his wisdom, experience, and guide UPARC to reach higher heights. Since it is time to mark a milestone, let me share with you a few thoughts about this old man. This dedicated individual contributed immensely to Ham World, society, and UPARC in different capacities. I'll speak about him of longest time I have known about him. So on 6th July 1961, B.S. Subramani, born in Bangalore, and he completed his ITI studies from Bangalore Telephone Institute, and then later in the year 1984, he joined ISAC as a technical assistant in Environment Test Facility. He is married to Srimati Geeta Subramani. They are having one daughter. She is Sandhya. Presently, she is doing her MS in data science from US. And his passion towards radio developed from his childhood days. In his childhood day itself, he was a SWR using his father's Philips radio at home. And later, after completing his ITI, he has done a course on radio technology during those days. And then once he joined URO Satellite Center, earlier known as ISRO Satellite Center, his passion towards radio attracted him towards Upagraha Amateur Radio Club. And in the year 1985, he obtained his Grade 2 ham license. Later, he converted to Grade 1 and advanced grade, presently called as general grade license, under the guidance of his guru Chinadurai. In the general grade license, under the guidance of his guru Chinadurai. In the year 2002, Mani became UPARC secretary and station directory. He loved going on air, especially HF, around 250 DXing and 7 continent-based radio clubs like Fox and Radio Direction Finding and other activities. He has done commendable job for rescue and relief operations for natural calamities. Some of them are in 1988, East Godavari floods, 2000 Latur earthquake, 2004 Kadalur tsunami. For 17 days he was there in Kadalur, and southern parts of Tamil Nadu flood relief operations, and many more. And he has worked as a relay station around 12 times for Nepal, Bangladesh, and other country natural calamities. He participated in communication support for car and bike rallies. He is a founding member of AMSAT India. He was involved in AMSAT configuration design and testing of payload. He was a focal point for annual payload performance feedback of AMSAT payload with a worldwide users up to 2014. He has done around 150 educational outreach programs across the country and dozen webinars on satellite communication and AM radio. He led the team for APRS payload on PS4 orbital platform proposal, design, development, testing, and integration with launcher and post-launch operation. He is a focal point for annual payload performance feedback of AISAT payload. Being part of Science Day at URO Satellite Center for more than 25 years, he organized and conducted live demonstrations, display of equipments, and his brainchild quiz on air events. He was part of organizing committee for World Amateur Radio Day in 2018. He was one of the faculty members for so many training programs at URSC, like IITP, UICA, and CST programs. He worked with WPC office in Delhi. Thank you, Mani, sir, for your invaluable contribution. Please give a round of applause for Mani for his immense contribution to the AM. Sir, my screen visible?
Yeah, Suresh, your screen is visible.
Your screen is coming. Now you
I'll open the presentation. One second.
Yeah, you open the presentation and play.
Okay, sir. One second.
Don't press ignore, stop presenting. Now it is coming. PPT is opening. Appreciation certificates. Foxlet. In many contests. National Games 97. Yes. Suhasini and COVID-19 service time. Majestic. Meter. National Congress. Transportation of the container to shore. Here got it. Government public school. Yeah, almost around 250 education out. KL. Vagdevi Villa School. Jawaharlal Nehru Planetarium. Udmalpet team entered. Bailalu visit. Family photo. Family. Record. Field day event. This Parkland event. Antenna workshop. Erkard Hilltop. This is in Cochin. This is Cochin. Reconnected. Hamset India workshop. Our director, another Madhav Nair with Madhav Nair, Professor Rao with Professor Rao, P.S. Goyal and Kujani Ayer, Madam Vijayalakshmi, Professor Rao, presentation function, Madhav Nair, Kumar, Dr. Shiv Kumar. World Amateur Reader Day we conducted in the 2018 at URSC. Lot of articles came on his name in the local newspapers. Yeah.
No, I think that this is not Baladi. Baladi will just be time is taken by enough. I think this is enough, and all of you know about that. So I think we can stop at this point. Okay, please. Vivian?
Okay, Subramani. You will play background. Other speaker can start. Divya, can you call other speaker?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, Suresh, for presenting the wonderful journey of money as a ham. We know that money sir is strongly associated with lot of ham work, and I would now request all gatherings one by one to take their chance to speak about their experience and association with money sir. So you can present yourself with name and other details and go ahead with 2 minutes talk. So now the stage is all yours.
Ramesh, on behalf of AMSAT India, can you go ahead first? Ramesh, you're on mute.
We have to Ramesh. Ramesh, are you in the line?
I'm back.
Yeah, Ramesh, can you go ahead on behalf of AMSAT India first?
Yeah. Well, this has been a great privilege for me to meet so many ISRO scientists and radio amateurs of ISRO all at once. It has been overwhelming for me, and I'm absolutely, most of you have spoken a lot about money already. A lot of visuals has been put up, what money is achieved. So I think I have almost nothing to say. Everything has been recited by one by most of you people who have taken in charge of this great ceremony. Well, in my 45 years of ham radio, I met many radio hams, but money is really striking. He is extremely versatile, highly knowledgeable. He's got tremendous general knowledge, and he knows so many things in other fields also. And he's got a great thing that ham requires, that is home brewing. He has done so much of home brew in ISRO that when he invited me there, he used to show me one by one, and I was really impressed with all his ideas. He's full of ideas. That's what money is. And he has really devoted his whole life for ham radio. He has, managed all the affairs of ISRO, did all his work over time, and still had so much of time to do so much of relief work in different parts of the country. And one of the most striking things he has done, and which is going to have a lot of future for all of us, is his educational outreach. He has gone to every school. Also, when I invited him to a science exhibition, and he has interacted with students. He loves students. He loves children as such. And this is what is very interesting. He likes children. He likes the youth. He likes young people. He likes to promote them. So he's got everything. And there is nothing missing in this man. And I don't want to make it a long speech. There are so many of you I would like to listen to. So I would say that he's got everything. What I like to wish him is good health, long life. Other things will soon follow if these two things are present in him. And that's what I wish God to do the blessing for him. Thank you so much. Over to Balaji. Oh, Nitin.
Okay. Thanks, Ramesh, for your thoughts. And good morning to all of you. As Secretary of AMSAT India and as a personal friend of money, I would like to share some of my thoughts. First of all, thanks Divya and Suman for starting the program and all of those who were involved in organizing this. Maulia for the melodious invocation prayer. And more important, thanks Suresh and Balaji for sharing those photographs. A lot of memories were recalled as I was seeing them. And also the journey of money in URSC as well as AMSAT India and also in his personal capacity. So as mentioned by Suresh Kumar, money has contributed not only to URC but amateur radio as a whole. It's part of many of the amateur radio clubs and organizations. And mainly, as Ramesh also mentioned, his contribution towards the educational outreach in his individual capacity, almost, I think I heard 250 programs. It's not easy. And this has really been appreciated by all. And I think he is very sought after by many educational institutions to come over and share his knowledge. And as Ramesh mentioned, it is immense. He has, I can say he's a subject matter expert in his domain and can really guide people, who wants to do something related to space science. Specific to AMSAT India, as a founder member and the Director of Educational Relations, he has led from the front, and he has demonstrated his leadership qualities in the AMSAT PO52 project and the AISAT APRS payload, which was launched in 2019. And he has led from the front, and also not to forget the many number of meetings that he organized with the senior ISRO management to promote amateur radio in space from India. Close contact, connect has actually helped us to develop the close bond between UARC and AMSAT India, and also with some of the ISRO management, and I'm sure that this will continue because he can definitely influence this even post his retirement because of his close connect, and we will work closely on that. So on behalf of AMSAT India, I take this opportunity to wish Mani all the very best on your retirement. May you have a healthy and happy life with your friends and family. Cherish every moment from now on. Hope you get a chance to do whatever you want to do, and wishing you a happy retirement. And I'm sure you'll have more time for the activities in AMSAT India as well. So thank you all again, and would like to hear from others as well. Anybody else from the AMSAT India team can go ahead. On the call, I think Somo is there, and then RVJ is there. Any of you can go ahead as well.
Somu also is there.
Yeah. Thanks, Mani. I'll go from my side. And hi everyone. It's VU3 Hotel Charlie Juliet, handled Somu, and I am also part of AMSAT and also a friend of Mani. And just to I think we started our relation with Mani, I think, a couple of years, but it thought, okay, it is just 5 years or 6 years, but it doesn't look like that. It makes me saying that, okay, you're like many years together, right? And wherever we go along with him, and he's always tried to give his knowledge to others, right? And even whenever I meet him, and I try to learn a lot of things, even if I don't know whether I know, and he's always tried to ensure, and whoever is transfer the knowledge, they make them understand, okay, what he's trying to say, right? And that is one good thing. And also, as Nitin and Ramesh mentioned, he's fashioned towards teaching, right? So that is one important what I observed from him, and it is going to help all the young kids and the youths in coming years and all that, so that they can also become kind of a scientist or ham friends or something like that. Yeah, and that's what I can say. And also, we spend a lot of time going around the other ham fest, and his company along with us is always a comfort zone for us. That's I can say. And also, I wish him all the best, and also have a happy life and a happy health and good health, and continue our friendship till we live. Thank you, Mani, all your friendship and knowledge.
Okay, Ravi, hey, Mani, you want to say something? Go ahead.
Yeah, I just wanted to say thanks to everyone, particularly Ramesh and Nitin, to you and so much just and I don't know really what is happening here. I just received, I don't know what it is really, but it's very heavy. Just now from Bingo, I got it. And my security came here and handled it.
Mani, can you switch on video and open the packet?
Mani, your voice is little feeble. It's not very clearly audible.
Okay.
No, it is muffled. It is audio is muffled, Mani. Your audio is muffled. Maybe if you are using a headset earlier, you can use that.
No, how is it now?
Ravindra, I will give you 2 seconds.
Why did
Mani, can you open the packet?
Yeah, okay.
Alvij, I will give you 2 seconds. 2 seconds.
What is going on? You are there. All this, just my security clear will not be there. My group.
Be careful, Mani.
Okay. One second.
It is heavy. It is heavy.
Really heavy. How is the audio quality?
Still to be improved.
But okay.
So you may have to use your headset or something. It's very feeble.
Okay, 1 second.
Yeah, please.
Near to your instrument.
Yeah, your microphone is far away, I guess. Not audible.
Not audible. Like now, totally it has gone, Mani.
I think you muted your mic, Mani.
I'm muted.
Yeah, it is muted. His mic.
Your mic is muted, sir.
Yeah, now. How is it now?
Clear.
Now okay.
Yeah.
Okay, 1 second. What is this?
Move up. Yeah.
Hey, come on.
Yes. How it is, Mani?
What is this, Balaji? What is this, Divya? Nitin, what is this? I don't know what is happening here.
So you have to continue as a ham, right?
Oh, ma'am, ma'am, Yogesh, and Balaji, Suresh. No, what is it, Rahul?
Mani, Alinco is your favorite brand, right?
Yeah.
That's it. So we thought where you can remember us always.
Alinco. It's VHF, UHF twin band FM transceiver DR638.
Yeah.
Really, I first thing, why you people want to take so much of, strain and, spend this much of money, please. Really, it it hurts me. No, please, your kind wishes, words, that itself is more than enough. And it was more than sufficient. But I don't know, Balaji, I really don't know whose initiative is this, but I know it's collectively, I think people have done. And I didn't want to go open the door because generally I don't like anybody, disturbing during the session. But he called over phone and told me, no, sir, you have to open the door. So it's a very surprise and such a surprise and pleasant gift. And thank you very much. Really, I thanks everyone for this. This is a great day for me. I cannot really forget. So nice of you, everyone, each and everyone who have been part of this. So I think it's a wonderful gift from all of you. I don't know whether I deserve it. That is what now it makes me, a little doubtful whether I deserve all this appreciation and all this. So sorry. So thank you very much. And something else is also there. This is from Nitin. Nitin. Thank you, Nitin. What is this? Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, there's a lovely earphone, headset. Nitin, thank you, Nitin. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Mani, you deserve it. It's not that you don't deserve it. Definitely with this radio, we want to keep in touch with you. Of course, it will help you with your outreach activities as well. Process and for you to be on air. Yeah, so definitely, yes. We're very happy to get this for you.
No, I'm so emotional now. Really, I'm thrilled. And I don't have words to express my sincere thanks to you and everyone for taking so much of, pain, hardship, efforts to make this event. I never ever expected or never ever dreamt also that you'll all be coming together and doing this. But I never expected when I was doing all this, but it is coming as a very big, pleasant surprise. And getting my daughter over this session from US and Balaji, I was not knowing how you will do all this. And Sandhya, how is it, Dakana?
Firstly, congratulations on your 60th year, and congratulations on everything that you've done. I'm just very grateful to everyone for felicitating all of this. Congratulations, Appa. I think you deserve it.
Amod,
onwards and up.
Thank you, Kanna. Thank you. And it's all, Appa, Amma, you, and Geeta, all together, help me to, achieve what I'm today. Okay. And really, sorry, I have to say today, I have not given that much of attention to you, what I've given to the ham radio, to my hobby. Okay. So, thank you, Kanna. Thank you being on with us. And really, I never expected this is an additional surprise for me to have you amongst all my friends, your good friends. And that's a great Sandhya. And I think I should thank Balaji, who only would have done this. And Balaji, thank you very much, Balaji, and for sharing all the nice photographs, and really wonderful. So I'll just give it back to Divya and Nagesh. Nice to see you, Nagesh.
Hi. Yeah. Hi, Mani. I didn't expect this
thank you.
Good connection with all your people. Really, very surprised, Balaji, yes. Really, I'm very thankful to you to make this opportunity to meet Mani. And also, I give an opportunity to see Sandhya. Because a very long day back, I'm seeing Sandhya. Hi, Sandhya. You remember me?
Of course, uncle. Hello.
How are you doing there?
I'm doing well. Thank you. I don't want to hold the screen space too much.
Okay.
But
for everybody, I am Nagesh. I have traveled with Mani for 37 years. A long journey I have done. I joined with Mani, and even I joined to the ham with Mani, but my hobby has gone to some other side. Mani has done a very good job. I don't know how to express my words. There are no words to say. Mani, you are really above my
thing, and you could carry it, and it was just a thought which came to. And I really thank Nitin sir, Rahul and Balaji sir for taking initiative and selecting the module and placing the order. And it was Nitin sir's and Balaji sir's idea altogether to gift it in this way during the session. Thank you, Nitin sir. Thank you, Balaji sir. And bringing your daughter onto the session is a wonderful thing. I thank again Balaji sir for that. I think we could do whatever best we could do for making the session a special one for you. Basically, being it an online platform, we just used it to bring in whatever possible to make it special to you. That is all. Now, I just would let the platform to other hands to share their experience with you. I would request the people one by one to just take the platform. Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt.
Yes,
sorry, Arvijay. Sorry, in middle I stopped you because the package just arrived there. So surprise gift for the money. That's why we stopped that your speech. Sorry for that one. Arvijay, you can start your wishes or speech about money.
Yeah, good morning to everyone. This is Ravindranath, VU2 RVJ. Let me first thank the organizers for arranging this event, for felicitating Sri Subramani on his superannuation from ISRO. I remember my association with Mani very well. I came to be in touch with him during the season of production and launch of HAMSAT in 2005. And since then, we have been in close contact, and with all my official visit to Bangalore, a stay at Isaac Guest House, and a meeting with Mani and
Mama Ate. And she's like my own niece, and really thank you, Balaji, for having met her after so many years. Well, that's the other part of her sentiment. Okay, Mani, I think I would break one truth money. You know, usually the daughter-in-law, mother-in-law, always they contradict each other, but they live together and they go together and express themselves as so united. Money, what do you say, Money? That we keep on arguing because in Money is, as Ramesh said and other people said, is very organized. I'm an unorganized. Well, that is the thing. And I exactly not coming to mind when Money joined the Ham Club, URC, which year. But before he could join itself, when we had a club station, there's no place. In the third floor communication section, we get given one table. I mean, actually earlier it was near the power generator room. From then it shifted down. So we used to operate from that. So I used to have a table outside the lab. The communication key, lab key was given to me in the evenings. I will deposit while returning. So that time I used to come and sit, and then we used to go about it, and slowly, everything happened. As you said, the Durai was there and all that. It's a long story. Anyway, Money has briefed it. But as far as I am concerned, Money is a person of emotion and is not lovable. But when he speaks, he may speak little very strict and other thing, but in his heart, he is very, 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 very a lovable person. And I'm really enjoying this company and enjoying his company even now. And Money, I wish that you continue to meet the children all around India. Even go to the Andaman, Nicobar and other places also. And the only sad thing is now I am not in a good health to join him for the tours because of my health issues. Otherwise, Money I would be joining now. Both of us can go together. The earlier days we used to go together in some of the colleges, some institutions. We used to go. And I remember that we had a talk in Pondicherry University. And rightly, as Balaji said, I did my master's in acupuncture, so rightly pointed as a Dr. Raman. And I'm licensed to practice in Chennai, not in Karnataka. That's good. That's one part of the story. Well, and I have something surprised for Money. Whenever we go, I used to entertain him. So I think I can also entertain the crowd for a short while. Another one, a short one. तेरे साथ मैंने छोड़ूंगा.
Amal, thank you, Amal. Thank you so much. Whatever you wanted to, say, speak completely, it came out through your breath and through your mouth organ. Thank you, Amal. I know you carried that mouth organ with you all the time. And all the talks you came with me used to play in between. Thank you, Amal, for taking time. Thank you. Back to you, Divya.
Wonderful, JDX. Wonderful performance.
Thank you, Amal sir, for that wonderful talk and experience of yours with money, sir, and the wonderful rendition. You made a difference for this function. Thank you so much for that. Now I would request others to take over and share their experience, please.
Now I will request Sunita Kapoor. Sunita, are you available?
Hello.
Go ahead, Sunita.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Good morning, dear all. My association with Mr. Mani sir goes back.
Madam, echo is coming. Echo is coming. One mic you can switch off.
Okay.
Oh, now it's okay.
Now? Am I clear now?
Yes, okay.
Yes.
Good, Sunita.
Yeah, good morning all. My association with Mr. Mani goes back to beyond 2 decades from one science exhibition at URC. On few events, we have worked together in a team. On these occasions, I have seen him beautiful and punctual. It was nice to know someone like him with great energy and zeal. He's very friendly and positive. He will always have candid conversation with all. Needless to say, sir, Mr. Mani, you being a ham, you have done an awesome job at URC, the park. The work has set a new standard here. With your retirement, here is to closing one chapter and starting another. And with your passion as amateur, I know you will do amazing hereafter. Take care. We will miss you, but you will do and you will rock it. Thank you and good luck to you, Mr. Mani. And good luck to your sweet daughter Sandhya. And regards to Madam Geeta. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Sunita. Thank you so much. Good, Balaji.
And sir, hello.
I think now Sunita's son Rajiv will do one performance in piano.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sunita, request to turn on the video if possible.
Sure.
Fine. Yes. Thank you.
Oh, hello, I'm Rajiv here. Oh, am I audible?
Hi, Rajiv.
Go ahead,
Yes,
Rajiv.
go ahead, go. That's you.
Oh, hello. It's okay.
Awesome. Thank you, Rajiv. So nice of you. Really, I remember when you was small boy, when we attended with your mother after the 2003 quiz on air program in our guest house. You were so young that time, such a small boy. Now, nice to see you. Thank you, Sunita. Thank you, Rajiv.
Welcome, sir, and greetings to you as well.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much,
Thank you,
Rajiv, for
Sunita
the nice
Madam.
performance.
Yeah, thank you all.
Yeah. Thank you, Rajiv. Thank you, Sunita Madam. This actually, you added a charm to this program. It was really mesmerizing. You took us to a different world. And I appreciate the fantastic attitude of yours in volunteering the program to greet Mani sir and wish him through your mesmerizing performance. Thank you so much, Madam Sunita and Rajiv. Yeah. So I would like to request others to go ahead with your experience.
Interrupt Divya. The next person we'll call Sandhya because she's getting late because already 11 o'clock she wanted to go. Okay. Sandhya, can you come?
Yes. Yes. Thank you, Balaji uncle. I don't have a speech prepared. Anna, it's amazing to see everyone. So many people that I know. Amal Mama, Nagesh Mama, Das uncle, and Nitin uncle. So many people that I remember growing up with. And Appa, congratulations. This is a pretty big deal. You've worked really hard and very proud of you. Onwards and upwards. I think it's just starting. Now that you don't have office, I think it's a good opportunity to do this full time. So, and I know you've been doing this even during COVID. So when you can do it during COVID, I'm sure you can do it even post-COVID. Thank you for having me. I think one of the main advantages of being virtual is that you can join in from anywhere across the world. And so it feels amazing to be a part of this really personal celebration. So thank you for having me, everyone. I would love to connect with each of you later on as well. And Appa, just congratulations. Enjoy your day. Take a vacation. Go out. Travel and chill for some time. Happy 60th year and congratulations again.
Thank you, Sandhya. Thank you, Dakana. Thank you so much. And really, I'm thankful to Balaji. I know it's Balaji's work to connect you. And of course, thanks to all my friends and you.
I think some connectivity issue. Now, Das, you want to say some few words in Kannada?
Das left Balaji. And you can call Paul. Paul is there. I think he is there. You just call Paul is there.
No, Paul also left it. Vijay, are you available?
Okay, next our KM Subramaniam.
Sir, we are waiting for your words.
Good morning, Balaji. Good morning, Subramaniam. Yeah, good morning.
Morning, Subramaniam. Good morning. Good to have you. So nice of you. Thank you.
Good morning to all who are participating in this program. First of all, Mani, congrats and wish you very happy post-animated life, super-animated life, healthy, yeah, okay? And you can spare more time towards ham, which is your very love, you are showing the hobby towards that. And you are such a multifaceted personality. You are involved in the design of systems, testing of the systems, and launching later for the receiving, maintaining in this orbit and receiving the data also, like a ground station, mission person, design. Such a multifaceted personality you are, Mani. Very great. Yeah, everybody will not have such all-round qualities. Okay? Yeah, it's a pleasure to share my views, Mani, on this occasion. Thank you, one and all. Yeah, bye. Take over, Mani. Balaji.
Thank you, Subramaniam. Thank you for your kind words. Thank you, and please do stay, please. Thank you.
Yes, Mani.
Thank you very much, Subramaniam, about telling that some few words about the money. Now I will request our Unni, UCI. Unni, take over.
Yeah, good morning all. Can you hear me, Balaji?
Yeah, loud and clear.
Yeah, thank you. Very good morning to all. So I want to tell we had a farewell in URC also to money. Then again we wanted to arrange a outside. So that itself shows money's popularity. It is not within ISRO or URC. It's more than that. It's certainly outside. With this AMSAT activity, all other Bangalore amateur radio activity, and all. It's not certainly not in URC. So I wish him all the best for his superannuated life. So also I would like to say when in URC he took a lot of initiative. Otherwise usually we all used to be a little bit sleepy in this ham activity in the URC club, but he single-handedly built the club and made in today's shape. Took us to organized a field day, arranging all the family members and ISRO people, and took us to ERCOT, and then SHAR. He took not only ISRO families, even outside whoever were interested. He took us organized and took to this is all other than his regular technical activity. I'm saying interest coordinated with the other center and made a big trip. We could interact with so many other hands. So then arranged the user meet on HAMSAT user meet, Kiss Honor, and Science Day program. So many activities. It was fully filled with this type of activity in the URC club. So he will be, or no, he will certainly continue to do that after his retirement also. So he, as his daughter said, he will have more time to do that. As a full time, he can do that. So it will be very nice. And I wish him all very long, healthy, and prosperous retired life, filled with all ham activity. Thank you all. This is UCI. Signing off.
Thank you, Unni. Thank you so much. Thank you for it. Please do stand by for some more time, please.
Thank you very much, Unni, for taking some time, and you are able. Vijay.
Good morning, all. Happy retirement life to Subramanian sir from the office work. But anyhow, ham, it is a full-time work for you now. You can enjoy your hobby. And I was in to ham fest as well as to the talks to Vagdevi school and quiz on air. Also, I was there for one round. Actually, it is a great time for me to be with you for some occasions. And actually, I was when I joined early, so that time I could spend some time in the shack as well as I wanted to do some antenna repeater. So, but I was halfway. So hopefully I will make time and I will make it. And this is from my side, and all the best, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Vijay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Please do stand by for some more time, Vijay. I hope you will.
Okay, Mani. I hope I called everyone. Anybody left? Please come on.
I think some of our ham friends are outside URC. I think they are there in the list. You just find out and let them in, Balaji.
I think.
I expected such a good event, actually. I didn't even expect what you're going to do. You have done it, because I didn't expect such a good event, actually. I didn't even expect what you're going to do. You have done a very good job. You have done a very wonderful job. Everybody you made joins, and I had a very good opportunity to say thanks. Thank you, Balaji.
Thank you very much. So madam, before giving to you, just 2 seconds I will give to Das, and afterwards I can give you. Madam, it is okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you very much, madam. Go ahead.
Okay, thank you, Balaji. Thank you for giving this opportunity to say a few words about my master, my Guruji, Subramani. So, my association with him is around 23 years. Right from my joining, I have been with him, and I have learned a lot from him, sir. He likes teaching very much, and his teaching will be different. When he teaches something, people will eagerly listen to him. Nobody will get bored. So that is how he teaches. And regarding this but today it is one of the best radio club in India. He has brought to that level. So that is his determination. And okay, I wish him all the best. I wish him all good health and a very good retired life. And thank you, Balaji, for you also for conducting this wonderful event. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Guruji, thank you.
ದಾಸ್ ಅವರು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಏನೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಏನಿದ್ರು ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ I'll just get back to you all. We will hear you, and we know that you're all the best. Farewell function to me, and I never expected that all from AMSAT India and from Upagram Radio Club will share this platform, and thanks to Divya and all of them.
Once again, last signal.
And also to Uni, I ask you to take some initiative and then be with this team, Uni. Okay. And Ravindra, thanks for the joining after a long time in you. So over to you, Balaji. We have to PZD GDX. See, the habit doesn't go here. Okay, it doesn't go. Okay.
Yes, Amal, we've heard what you said, sir, and definitely we will keep the club going up as it is being done now. I think we are working on a digital that will be flying soon. I think the amateur club has done a lot of activities, and we will continue to do that. And we will maybe we will request your support and other things, our juniors to come up also.
Thank you, ma'am. And also, on a special note, ma'am, I ask you to come on so that I can see him.
Yeah, I also thought right now, I think there's some sad news in our layout.
Oh, sorry.
So he's gone out to there.
Okay, ma'am.
So he's not there. Otherwise, I thought I will ask him to come on air.
Okay.